Hi everyone, this is Ron Couming from RCS Technology Solutions, where we help business owners and entrepreneurs just like you achieve even greater success by attracting, converting, and retaining their ideal customers and clients. Welcome to this training series called 25 Ways to Grow Your Instagram Account Quickly and Organically. In this segment, we are going to talk about why you should realize that it takes time and effort to grow your Instagram organically. And I know this is not the sort of tip you're looking for, and that I just quite literally just contradicted myself by first saying quickly and then saying it takes time. I promise the rest will be more in line with what you were expecting from this post. But I wanted to start off by stating the obvious, or maybe not so obvious, things first. Yes, there are accounts that can explode seemingly overnight or that grow very fast and much faster than others. There is always going to be someone doing it faster, better, etc. than you. That's just a fact of life. And without competition to keep us on our toes, where would we get our drive? But no matter where in your Instagram journey you are, there are ways in which you can speed up your organic growth, and hopefully this post will help you with just that. Just remember, it's hard work and you'll be spending a ton of time on Instagram. And if you want your account to grow the right way, aka organically, and not buying followers route. If you have any questions about this tip, please feel free to reach out to me, Ron, at RCS Technology Solutions, to clarify anything that may not have been clear and see what we can do to help you achieve even greater success.